Guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is cuanki. It is a famous soup from Bandung in West Java, and cuanki itself is an abbreviation of cari uang jalan kaki. It's normally for street vendors to use the term as cuanki, which means making money while walking. This is similar to bakso, Indonesian meatball, but it's complete with tofu and whatnot. And for the following cuanki, I use chicken and shrimp. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So into your food processor, this is 454 lean ground chicken with 5 to 6 garlic, half cup of cooked shrimp, 2 tablespoons of fried onions, 2 generous pinches of ground white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. Also 2½ teaspoon of baking powder. Now season it with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and also 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. Now we're gonna mix this using your food processor. Combine all the ingredients until a nice paste. Once the mixture is somewhat combined, we're gonna crack 2 eggs in. 2 eggs and half cup of water, half cup and like 1 or 2 tablespoons. And this is cold water. Now we're gonna mix it again with the food processor. Now add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with 1½ cup of tapioca starch, and we're gonna mix this again. This is 1 block extra from tofu. We're gonna slice it diagonally or triangles. Now what we're gonna do, you can scoop some of the tofu out, and then we're gonna fill the indentation with the chicken paste, or you can slice it kind of half but not cutting through, and then again we're gonna put the paste in between like this, and then you fill it with the chicken paste. If you can find tofu puff, they are available at Canadian Wholesale. You can use that as well. Now we're gonna boil about 3 cups water with 1½ tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now that the water is boiling, turn down the heat so that it just simmer. And now you want to drop your filled tofu and cook it for 10 minutes at least. Once the tofu cooked for 5, 8, 10 minutes, now we're gonna make chicken balls from this. Spoon a sum of paste, and using your thumb and pointing fingers, just squeeze it out and drop onto our pot. Now once you made all the balls, we're gonna bring this to boil and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now grab a couple of wonton wrappers, and we're gonna make what we call pangsit. We're gonna spread our chicken paste as well. So grab some of the wrapper, spoon some of the paste, and just spread it like so, and we're gonna fry them. Now grab some Shanghai dumpling wrappers, and we're gonna do the same, but this time we don't spread it, and we're gonna shape it into another types of we call it spring roll pangsit. So earlier also spring roll pangsit, but it's not roll. This one we're gonna roll it, but not long spring roll. It's more to like a button. Spoon like that, and then we're gonna wet the sides and then shape it into a ball or a button like so. So fry your pangsit until golden brown. Now this is 5 chicken pieces in 2.5 quart of water. We're just gonna bring to boil and then we will remove the scums. Once it's boiling and you remove the scum, now drop in 1 green onion and tiny bunch of cilantro just for extra flavoring. Now this is a cheaper way. We're gonna use bamboo instant spices. You can find these most likely in Chinatown, where they sell Indonesian spices and whatnot. Or you can use my recipe for bakso that I have posted a couple of times, but this is a cheaper way. I'm so lazy. And this instant spices is awesome for chicken, beef, and oxtail soup. So for this, I use 2 pouches of the bamboo oxtail soup instant spices, and I added about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now we're just gonna continue boiling until chickens are thoroughly cooked. To serve, just place some meatballs and tofu and the fried stuff into your bowl, and now pour some broth and it's ready to be served. You can use cellophane noodle, glass noodle, or even Indomie for this kind of bakso. Bon appetit!